My people, this na true talk. Everybody deserve second chance. Even the officer wey kpai Mene Ogigi. No be say because wetin im do correct, but make we reason am well. What if no be pure wickedness, but frustration? Today, police go arrest bad boys. Tomorrow, they don release them. Case don vanish. Dat kind circle go fit make person lose control o. No be say anger na license to kpai human being o, but instead of to waste dis officer or lock am inside prison throway key, why not redirect am? Naija military dey reintegrate repentant bandits. Why Officer Nuhu no go join go front line? Make im hot temper go meet real enemies for Sambisa forest.